Hi guys! Welcome to Stupid Me channel. Guess what we're gonna do today? TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Today, I'm gonna bring you guys to a 5-star hotel in Bangkok. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a one-night staycation in Bangkok. Like during this COVID time, I just get bored at home. So I just want to change the atmosphere. Let's see how it's gonna be. Before we go, please press like or subscribe to my channel to support me. I arrived at the hotel and I'm going to the room because just checking. Let's see what is it gonna be inside the room. Ta-da! Looks nice, but it's a little bit small, no? Let me put my bag down first. So this is what's inside the bed. Look at the view. I got a 29th floor. So this is a view with high building like this. Whoa. It's so dark, cannot see. I booked this hotel because I like the bathroom with the bathtub. Ta-da! By the way, this video is not sponsored by Marriott. I will put the receipt picture here because I paid everything. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys the price that I got in 5-star hotel like this. I got the price only $112. Normally you will not get this price in the normal period of time, but so it's COVID, I got a deal. And in $112 price, the promotion is I can stay for one night and I get a gift voucher for 112 baht. No, $112. It's I can order everything from the restaurant downstairs and eat within $112. If I eat more than $112, I will just have to pay more. That's it. And also, I get free breakfast for tomorrow. I'm kind of looking forward to have dinner today and for the breakfast tomorrow, from 5-star hotel. How it's gonna be. Is it gonna be delicious food? We will have to see. Okay, so now it's 6 p.m. already and I'm starting to be hungry. So I'm gonna go downstairs to the restaurant downstairs and eat. Let's see what I'm gonna eat. Who's hot? shrimp cake. Mediterranean, I guess, something. Dessert time. I'm so full. I cannot even walk.
What's next?
What's next? Just gonna go chill in the room. Maybe ordering some drinks. Taking a bath. I wanna take a bath so much. We will come downstairs again tomorrow morning for breakfast. I will show you guys. But for tonight, I'm just gonna go back to my room, taking a shower, drinking, chilling, watching movie, and that's it.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we
Morning,
met.
guys. Now is a new day that I will have to check out from the hotel at 3 p.m. I think that was special. Because normally like you have to check out from the hotel at 12 p.m. right? But with this promotion they let us check out at 3 p.m. And now I'm gonna go have breakfast downstairs because the breakfast is only until 10 a.m. which is quite late, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it because now I'm very hungry. Let's go have breakfast.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours, I never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun.
Now it's around 10 a.m. which is so sunny outside. It's like really hot outside. Yeah, I just finished my breakfast. It was good, like it was a free breakfast, right? And I took cereal, egg white omelette, as you can see in the videos that I just put before. And what else? Granola tart, croissant. What else? Egg benedict. Like I'm so full right now. Like I couldn't even finish it all. But yeah, that's what we ordered. And yeah, for the taste, it was good. What I like the most is the staff downstairs. Like everyone, they are so nice. They are like so happy to give you service. Like they like always like hello, like blah blah blah. Like oh, how's your food? Nah. But it's so great. I'm just gonna sleep, chill until like 3 p.m. and then I will check out. Yeah, and that is my staycation trip for 2 days, 1 night at Bangkok Marriott Hotel. So I will see you guys in my next vlog video. See you. Bye.